Don't let it come away again. You didn't do anything wrong. It's just, like I say. Oh God, you can't spare men, can you? Like I say, it's now paying no attention to the jump at all. It's just having a going on with you. If you'd come half an hour earlier, I wouldn't have to go. Now! Do you see that point when it does it? You just need to be pony club kick, give a right pony club. You need to snap it out of it. Now. Right, well, stop talking into it in a nice voice, because at the moment you're saying nice things with your voice. It doesn't understand the words. Just get fucking annoyed with it, Tina. Tina's a big saying, growl at him, growl at him. Do you want me to try and lead her as in leader? Grrr! Alright, I'm gonna have to go anyway. See the angry shouting there? You need to work on the angry shouting. Timing, Tina, timing. Shout when you want, when it's going to stop, not when it's going. Alright. You just don't have the rage in me like you think I do. I know. Well, you've got two choices, haven't you? Or you fucking get rid of it. Yeah, well, next they'll have to go, I'm afraid. Right, angry Tina. Get fucking angry Tina out and fucking go and jump that. Remember, timing. Now, stay angry. Like I say, you just... It's that... Go, go, go! Keep going, keep going, keep going. Angry Tina, angry Tina, angry Tina, angry Tina, angry Tina. There's only one way that horse is going, and that's don't turn it away. Do not turn it away. Go on, angry Tina. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go on! Get on! Get on! Go on! Go on! Everything together, Tina. I know it's hard work, but just, yeah, everything. Legs, legs, more pony club kicking. Trying to watch its back legs. Alright. No, you're alright, don't worry, I'm just gonna get out of his way. That's That's it. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Not nice Tina voice, angry Tina voice. Good girl. Right, loads of praise now. Right, keep trotting. Yeah, I'll just pop over the cart and then I'll feel free to carry on. Remember, timing, you mean it. And don't fucking turn it away. Maybe wants to jump this one. Whee! Shit, sorry, Michael. Good girl. Have you jumped those? Or just while, as I'm going to walk him around for a minute. So pop the little tyres. And I'll have a picture, hopefully a video of the jumping at him. Rather than 10 minutes with a water trough. No. Right. Alright. Hopefully the camera's working. Right, same again. You mean it, Tina. That's it, keep at it. Keep at it, keep at it, keep at it, don't stop, keep at it. Nag, 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 nag. Good girl, good girl. Right, just nice collected shot, keep her off the leg and come round and go over it again. Remember, you want her off the leg, off the leg, off the leg. Oh, try and go over the jump, obviously. Right, go over the middle one now. It is only tiny, Tina. Yeah, exactly the same again. It wants to be off your leg. You want to go over that jump. Good girl, loads of praise. This one. Do exactly the same again. Like I say, just off leg nice and forward. Good girl. Personally, neither. If you're happy with what you've done and you're happy with her, and to be fair, I think probably it's a hot day. Like I say, you've been through everything, haven't you? She's popped nice, she's had a meltdown, you've worked through the meltdown, you've carried on, you've popped nice. And so, yeah. Sorry how to be the bitch